Masquerade, Maria Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel. Partner by now the name is Tikamatima Ingedu, yes, Zimbabwe, Chimotikana Tanga, open channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa gara waka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Today now, yatakuigira mzara nasi, the Mnangagwa regime is panicking. Maria Zimbabwe has no miramushi, varukuchika, mademo, arkunza arkurongwa on Cab 3 muri Zimbabwe. Now we are Buddha Mshuri Kungi Pani a parade yang approved one it is P. My Arsenal fans we supposed to have a parade we celebrate kuwina kukaita chikwata chavo muri Zimbabwe, so vakanga pure police clearance yekuti they're going to march from Harare Gardens kuenda ku Alex Sports Club. Zvisinei this event irikunzi yapostponwa muri Zimbabwe nerizeta rapi mushure mekunge pane mathreats anga aripo ekuti ma opposition supporters vanga vachida kuinfiltrate this match voibatanidza neCap 3 votanga kudemonstrate against Cap 3 zvakonzeresa kuti polisi wani kuchipostpona this event kutaura kwatiri kuita havasi kuda vanhu vari kungoungana they are afraid kuti vanhu vanogona kutanga protest anotanga demo against Cap 3 muri Zimbabwe. Inyaya yashamisa vanhu vazhinji kuti why is the regime so afraid of people muri Zimbabwe, hanzi vari kutya, vari kuziva kuti Cap 3 haisi kudiwa, Cap 3 haisi kusupportwa neruzhinji rweZimbabwe. Kutaura kwatiri kuita nawe Cap 3 yamirira kuenda kuparliament uko kwaichawanikwa ichinodebatwa ikapasiswa ipapo, and it is going kuna president mazodambudzo Mnangagwa without a referendum muri Zimbabwe, and that's the plan in a battle Zanu PF nevatungamiriri this Cap 3. Unaumira mushe nofunga mawikisi apfuura Virginia Mabiza pamwe chete naZiyambi vakabuda zvitaura vachiti nawe Cap 3 hainei nereferendum. Zvinzi referendum inofambirwa nyaya dzakaita sedzeland, hanzi iyi yeCap 3 hainei nereferendum, zvireva kuti haisi kuzoenda muvanhu ikangopasiswa muparliament inhau inenge yapera, inenge yasara kupasiswa napresident Masondambudzo Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa vakuratidza kuti he is in support of this Cap 3 inhau yashamisa vanhu vazhinji. The government is panicking. The Zanu PF regime is panicking muri Zimbabwe. Vari kuziva kuti zvinhu zvavari kuronga havisi kudiwa neruzhinji rweZimbabwe, zvavari kuronga vanhu veZimbabwe vari against it muri Zimbabwe. Rifunga General Chiwenga zvakare havasi kuwirirana nechiitiko ichochi. He's saying vakaendera kuhondo nauye one man one vote, so zvinhu kada kubviswa zvinhu izvozvi haisi nyaya inofamba mushe. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nhau iyi zvikananda zviri kunzi they are the ones vari kupusha this Cap 3 Ruteno Matinyara rakabuda achitaura iye achiti kuda kwashe Tagwire is the man behind Cap 3 and he wants to be the next president. Zvikananda they want to protect my interests avo, so they are saying president should rule beyond 2030. Tingazivi kuti munoona seiwo nhau iyi. Tiudzei zvamunofunga mucomment section.
Yeah, so I wanted to but then I think earlier I was asking questions about the like origination of the audio kuti yakabva kupi, which I don't have clarity kuti yakabva kupi, but I think you said kuti if you listen to the beginning you can sort of like gauge and so I guess to be investigated. But when it comes to the contents within the audio, I've listened to it a couple of times. I even made notes of some of the things that are mentioned in there. And I think some of the things that are mentioned are not new news. These are things that have been circulating for a while. One claim was Kuti Mnangagwa is sick. This is not a new claim. Geza has claimed this before. There is someone else who commented on one of the posts that I did and said they claimed.
Saka idodzika, and then I'll bring you up.
Saka panyaya kuti Mnangagwa ari kurwara apa, that's something that we also need to explore because that's not the first time that that's been mentioned. Another claim that was made, I think you've already touched on it, nyaya yekufambisa goridhe chichi nyaya dzema-drugs as well, kuti ndiani ari kufambisa ma-drugs. Sorry, I'm just looking at some of the notes I made. Also, Nyaya Ubit Angel as well. There was a claim there, Kutanzi Ubit Angel, Asisna Mari, Tagurei helped Ubit Angel, what. And so I think that we can do ourselves a disservice by dismissing everything. But I think what could be a benefit to us is sort of like taking each claim and asking ourselves the questions: have we heard this before? Where have we heard this before? Does this make sense in the context of maybe some of the things that are already circulating out there? I think that could really help us. So, Angojit, I don't know if there's a way, a platform pages when we're analyzing this, for us to be sort of like dissecting some of the statements that were made to explore w- which is truthful, which might be over exaggerated, which is just vanhu vakungokanda also vari kukanda apa zvatisingazwisise. So that's just all I wanted to say. But I genuinely
Right.
think that there's flesh to this, but we need to pay closer attention to what's been said.
Right. And yeah, thank you very much, for that. I mean, that's the reason why we're here, We are talking about, the audio. I can't play, the whole audio, because it's about 33 minutes long, right? But I'm coming from a position, equity. I'm saying with the people have listened, to the audio. I know I'm good in Zimbabwe, and sometimes we want kuti chinhu mungochitaurirwa. Some of you guys even kana ndikakuudza kuti I posted the audio on my on my timeline. The same person who come with saka audio macho manzi chii. I know good maybe you're pressing for time kana muna nguva kana muna chii, but sometimes you just have to, make an effort. Yekuti zvoteererawo zvinhu zvoita sei uyo pane vanhu, and then you engage in a conversation nevanhu, pane kuti tinotanga vanhu vatanga kubvunza mubvunzo yekuti unotanga kugara kuti tite sereni mukurarama. You understand? Zvinhu zviri kuitika live on social media. Social media zvinhu zvinofamba quickly on social media. Hakuna munhu ane nguva yekuswera achinokuudzira kuti zvinhu zvakadai. If you want to be a social media player, be ningi follow zvinhu zvinoitika ningi social media. But you've got a very good point yekuti there are some things that have been said in there, and some of those things they really need attention. Kuti vanhu tinyatsozvidissecta tichicompare nezvinhu zvatiri kuona, reality yezvinhu nenge zvatiri kuona nechaizvo chaizvo. Anomukuona. Right, thank you very much for that. Dr. Tadini, do you want to come through?
Yes. Mkomo wangu ndiri kunzwika. Zviri nani. Audio taiona makuseni ndikateerera. Pamwe tinenge tiri a few hours behind ka. Zvinoitika vanhu vanowina loto tozoudzwa kuti vatowina loto. Yeah. So inini, I am one of the people that are saying the audio, not that it is fake. I think when people say that the audio is fake, what they're actually trying to say is it is staged, not that it is fake. It is a real audio. AI haisati yakukwanisa kuita izvozvo. Kana Google Translate inokuudza kuti sometimes kungoibvunza zvinhu zviri basic, kana kubvunza Grok chaiye panapa zvinhu zviri basic about Shona. The language model has not gotten to a point whereby it can fully simulate certain languages, especially language inenge yedu isusu, because it is a minority, a serious minority when it comes to the population of 9 billion, and at most we are 20 million. And then we also are heavily, captured by English. So model is not even incentivized kuti isvike palevel iro. Ichazongosvikawo eventually, because we have works that are out there that are in our mother's tongue, that are in the different mother's tongue that are in Zimbabwe, but it's not yet there. So when I say fake, I do not mean kuti. When people say fake, I think what they're trying to say is that it is staged. I'm sure pane vari kuti AI, I think those ones are the fringe ones. Now, when I also say that it is staged, it doesn't mean that the contents of it is bad or the contents of it is accurate. The contents of it is, some of it is accurate, then there's some of it that is outright malicious, intended to harm people in the opposition. So, for example, I'll say this. When and so some of the information is not up for debate because you, the people here, have been saying it. For example, when you accuse Kuda for being overly ambitious, and ambitious in the sense that he wants to be domineering, especially when it comes to land, that is information that is out in the public. I think I put out an article a few weeks back here. It is the debate in Parliament over land reform and land distribution. Pakadzoserwa 67 farms aya kumavet. You will notice kuti at the same time pakabva panzi hapasisina land yekupa vanhu. Land yekupa vanhu yakupiwa on an approval basis because we've distributed 99%. But if you go down with the entire discussion and how it was happening, you would notice kuti panzi paiswa gadi pagedha kutaura kuti ndokupa land kana kuti chi handikupe land. And you'd also notice
I want the fact that we don't have one of 33 hectares of land.
33,000 square. 33,000 in square meters because Harare
yes.
square meters. 33,000 square meters of prime land. Do you know kuti square meter square meter it ranges around $87 to $100 per square meter. So essentially, it was worth 15 million of land. We're talking about a piece of real estate that is worth something at conservative $33 million to $43 million. That's how much it is, and that's before it appreciates. Totanga kucheka tovisa development tozotanga kuisa mazita there. That's before it appreciates. When it appreciates, we're talking about 150 per square. We're talking about my price and emadokero and stuff like that. Cannot next to the parliament. We're talking about 150 per square. So you're easily over 40 million, right? So ziri pachena izozo. So you talk about the gift you talk about the parliament debate, the 99%, you talk about his involvement in the granting land commission, who granta kwake ma title deeds, ma A1, ma A2, and how he wants to structure the granting, and how it is that which is another land grab scheme. And I think I've written also about that, and a lot of people have written about that. So Zanu is not verified. So we're not, when I talk about it being staged, we're not saying the things that are there are not true. It's the same argument I did when we had those conversations back then, the gold mafia. Kuti zviri kutaurwa negold mafia hazvisi zvinowa muzimbabwe zvinhu zvamagara muchiziva ndima itozvitaura kuti gold mafia izotanga investigation vazotanga kuita investigation is because vanga vakunzwa muchichitaura ndobva kuti ngatichiisei tangible evidence to it ndobva vangotanga kupinda vachibatanidza tangible evidence. But mamagara makatoti there's something wrong with prophet wenyu because prophet wenyu akazoitwa ambassador at large. How? And the ambassador kumirirei saka paakazobatwa prophet makuzoti anomirire anofacilitate madhira zvinhu zvamamagara maita present to yourself because muri kuzoona and you're experiencing it, you're living it. No one can take that away from you. So that's a fact. So the audio is simply emphasizing chinhu chandagara ndichitaura nemi inini anko chamagara muchitaura nemi nehama dzedu dziri panapa chadzagara dzichitaura dzichiziva. They are authenticating audio iri kuauthenticata zvinhu zviri muparliament zviri muhansard zvakabatwa muparliament zvinhu zviri for instance you talk about madeals ekuti he wants to take over the healthcare zvinhu zviri perfect kuti how has he been going on a very voracious outbuying scheme. But how do I push others out of the same industry? Or how do I become the monopoly in the industry? Some people are not, okay, he purchased this, he purchased that. So as we see a secret. So those are with is audio inaccurate. But pane zvinhu zviri outright malicious, zvine intent. Tikati audio iri correct yes, it means kuti tese tabvuma panapa kuti Nelson Chamisa akauraya Morgan Tsvangirai. Mavabata here papo Uncle Gerard.
Was it spoken, in that same breath?
This is what it was spoken in the same breath. This is what said. Umwacho avunza kuti ko nyaya Nelson Chamisa mazvitaura zvikanzi akataura but akaseka ndobva aseka ndobva ati uyu ndimambara havasi authentic havazvikwanise kuzvisapota they are not real ndosaka vakauraya Tsvangirai nekuti iye Tsvangirai ndiye ganga ririyo. So you can even play just that portion.
Sorry, Dr. Tadin. He was referring. I think he was referring.
He was
Doctor. He was referring to the Zanu PF, but he was then comparing Chamisa and Tsvangirai in the same sentence. So manzwiro amaita mimika. It's sounding to be correct. Now it's pointing at Chamisa kuuraya Tsvangirai, but he was referring to this to Mazanu killing Changirai and then be left with Chamisa Asinake that age because Ndimambara. That's how I heard it anyway.
There are two notes, and I appreciate the side you're coming from. But there are two notes to understanding it because punctuation is as we are hearing the people. So I was also going to touch on that aspect. Let's say they're not accusing the opposition of doing it. What they're doing is they're accusing among mention. But in the same breath, he then says, you understand? Which means if you are saying everything is correct, you still have to then get to a point where you question yourself with the opposition is essentially useless. And the sure one and are permitted to run because they are this and my point here is not to say that Zawataura is accurate and should be taken, but it is to show you that you cannot have a blanket approach to the audio. That you can't do that. You can't have a blanket approach to the audio. Then have sections that you choose to say, okay, maybe this section I'm going to ignore it. It becomes hypocritical on our part. So for me, the stance that I'm taking is the audio contains information that we've already been speaking about. My hopes, my aspirations, my ambitions, Zimbabweans, evidence, yatinayo, yatakatuona, yatakabatuona, even my government apparatus. Then it includes also our extrapolations. But my data points are exposed kwatiri. So tinozongopedzisa line kuenda kumberi extrapolation takaita tese kumfu. Tinozongopedza line kuti ripfurire kuenda kumberi even kwatisina madot pagraph real. So it includes that. Then it also includes my conspiracies edu atacreator akafa nekuti general vachasunga rini, general vakatsamwa here. Kwandiri, the most damning part, which does not allow me to blanket accept the audio, portion yekuti there is a knight in shining armor, and that knight in shining armor is the general, and the general is the rightful successor, and the Uyanonzita Gwire is a usurper. Because Kwandiri Ipapo becomes a propaganda piece. A propaganda piece, Zimbabweans are being told that the successor is not chosen by you, but find another system, whether it is a gentleman's agreement within Zanu PF, whether it is a seniority system within Zanu PF, that effectively elects or determines who's the next in line for the Zimbabweans, which goes against the tenets of democracy. When we are fighting Cape 3, this is the leader, correct? Hatisi kuti imimi muzanu PF succession plan yenyu ngairambe ichienderera mberi kuti aiwa anofanira kuzouya after general ndiani ane makore 65 kana general ane 67 then kwabva iye kuzouyana. But effectively, if you listen to the audio, that is where the audio is also going, that the contestation is only between these two, and supposedly the other side, which is so offended, is going to do something to stop Cape. And to me, that is dangerous because I've always advocated for one thing. Zimbabweans, the one true force that is going to save us, other than the divine, is our own intervention. Our own intervention also ensures that Tonga Wacho is not a loading over us. They are not holding a sickle over us, which is we are the one who then determine Diana Tonga going forward. We cannot afford to make the same mistakes that I get in 2017 because we should have learned. But even if it goes in such a way as you could pay in mini power, zvinopa vanhu vacho varidze chiri takaudzwa nachamisa kuti chiri ndechedu handiti ndikuti nachamisa sorry chinamasa nachinamasa kuti chiri ndechedu after tese tafunga kuti aiwa chinhu chiri kudzoswa kuvanhu. So vanhu vanofanira kunge vari involved mukutora chinhu chavo. And that last part to me sounded more like a propaganda piece. Although I agree with a lot of the things that have been put out there, the ambitions of the men and the unwarranted display of wealth, especially in an economy like ours. And wealth, he has come out on several occasions, admitting himself that he is ill-gotten. Entrepreneurship, Google. So it's an admittance to an extent, or I'm abusing the system if we're being conservative. Someone will change that we're being conservative. I'm abusing the system. So this is my approach to the audio. With everything that is being said there, we understand and we should be angry about. But we take it with a pinch of salt and understand kwandiri it is staged, but it is staged ichitaura zvinhu zvatagara tichiziva and zvinhu zviri true to an extent. But I can't agree with the portion yekubastardize opposition. Whichever way you take it. Uncle, I'll pause there. Ndinenge ndadonha ka.
No, one way the quiet.
Oh, all right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, then I will pause there.
All right, okay.
And
All right, no, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you
yeah.
very much. Right. Can I bring in a Black Knight?